Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm about to show you guys how to make a diaper cake. You'll need a pizza pan, some diapers, glue gun sticks, rubber bands, and any accessories that you want to add onto the diaper cake to make look pretty. You'll need thick ribbon, skinny ribbon, scissors, balloon ribbon, and a glue gun. Okay, first you want to hot glue gun the bottle to the pizza pan. Make sure it's secure. Now I'm going to roll the diapers from the top of the diaper all the way to the bottom. And when you're putting on the rubber band, make sure you put the rubber band in the middle of the diaper on each one. Okay, so now I'm just adding diapers around the bottom base of my diaper cake. To do that, you start off with one diaper and you put a huge rubber band around that one, and then you just continuously stick the diapers around. For the bottom and middle layer of your diaper cake, you're going to want to use size 1 diapers, and at the bottom you use about 25 to 30 diapers. Okay, and now I'm about to start the second layer. I'm still using size 1 diapers, and you see how I took that one rubber band, and then I'm just going to keep adding diapers for my second layer. And for your second layer, you'll use about, I would say, 15 to 20 diapers. Just make sure that when you are placing these that you're getting that circular formation of the diapers so that it looks like an actual cake. Okay, so now I'm going to hot glue gun a tissue paper roll to the bottle top so that I can now add the diapers to my top layer. Okay, so now I'm on to my very top layer, and this is the last layer you'll do. And for your top layer is when you're going to want to use your newborn diapers because they are the smallest. So it gives the look of it being a smaller top layer like an actual cake. And you just repeat the same thing that you did for the bottom and the second layer by using that one rubber band and sticking in diapers. For your top layer, you should only have to use about 8 to 10 diapers. As you're filling in that top layer, make sure you're turning your cake around as I'm about to do, just to make sure you don't need to fill any extra diapers in a hole. Okay, now it's time to add your wide ribbon. And what this ribbon is going to do is it's going to hide your rubber bands on each layer. So this is when you take your glue gun and you will glue gun part of the ribbon to the rubber band, but you will also need to add some glue to the diaper for it to stay together. Okay, so I'm almost done adding my wide ribbon to the diaper cake, and as you see, I'm trying to pull it as tight as I can. So if you notice that your ribbon is a little loose like mine is on the second layer and the bottom layer, that just means you need to pull your ribbon tighter when you glue it. All right, and now we are going to move on to adding the special accessories to the diaper cake to make it look all cute and frou-frou. I already have placed the thin ribbon in between. I love adding the extra ribbon in between because it just adds a little more color to the diaper cake. And so now I am using balloon ribbon, which I got from the dollar store. I got my skinny pink ribbon from the Dollar Tree, as well as all of the diaper accessories. And then my wide ribbon I did get from Walmart, as well as the diapers. But now all you need to do is just tie your ribbon in the middle of your accessory. And in the past, I would tie it to the ribbon, but instead this time, because I wanted everything to be secure and not loose, I just went ahead and hot glued the accessories to the ribbon itself. And once I'm done gluing that all around the cake, I will then curl the ribbon with the scissors at the end to make it look pretty. And now for the finishing touch, I thought it'd be cute to add a flower from another project that I was going to do. I've never done this before, adding a flower, because usually I have a bottle at the top and I don't have to worry about it, but I think the flower adds a nice touch. And here is my final product of my diaper cake. I haven't made one in a very long time, but I was so excited to make this gift for my best friend at work.